Before you begin your project, you want to make sure your steel block is on a hard, sturdy surface. You're going to place your first cube on the steel block and pull your first stamp out of your letter set. When you're stamping with our products, you want to make sure that the ImpressArt logo on the side of the stamp is facing you. This will ensure that the letter is stamped in the correct direction and it won't be stamped backwards, sideways, or upside down. You're going to hold the stamp with 2 to 3 fingers towards the bottom of the stamp shank and position the stamp in the center of the cube, holding the stamp firmly in place by anchoring the side of your hand on the block and or table. Make sure you're not tilting the stamp to either side and you're keeping it flat. Now take your stamping hammer and give the stamp one hard hit. And you're going to leave your first impression. You're going to follow the same technique to stamp the remaining sides of this cube and any additional cubes you would like to add on your project. And I'm choosing right now to stamp the same letter on all the sides of the cube, but you can switch it up and stamp other letters or designs so when the cubes rotate, they spell out something different. If you're having trouble keeping your cube still while you're stamping, you can take a piece of stamp tape and place it directly over the cube on the block. This will secure it in place so it doesn't move while you're stamping. And you're just going to use the same technique, centering the stamp directly over the tape and stamp directly through the tape. You're just going to lift up the tape, rotate the cube, secure the tape back down, and continue stamping. After you're done stamping, remove the tape and place the other cubes on the block. Now you'll use your stamp enamel marker to make the impression stand out by highlighting the impressions on all 4 sides of the cube, making sure you cover the entire letter or design. You'll wait about 3 minutes, give or take, until the enamel dries completely. Once dry, take a paper towel and lightly wipe away the excess from the surface. Once the excess enamel is removed, you'll take your ball chain necklace and slide your cubes in order onto the ball chain. And to complete your necklace, you're going to close the clasp by inserting a small ball into the socket and pulling until it clicks.